Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to TalentFuse. It's another Thursday, the day of a new case study, and in this video I will walk you through a complete UI UX case study of a landing page I designed for a marketing agency called Ad Disruption, a brand that uses the power of comedy to make ads go viral. We will break it down section by section: design decisions, typography, color usage, layout flow, and I will share UX tips you can apply to your own projects. So let's jump right in. Here's the hero section, the first impression of the page. The goal was to instantly communicate energy, creativity, and trust. I used a dark olive green background to give a cinematic mood, paired with bold white typography for clarity and contrast. The headline, Laugh, Engage, Convert, directly hits the brand message, humor that drives conversions. The CTA button is mustard yellow, pops perfectly against the dark tone, guiding the user's eye toward book a free strategy call. To add personality, I included a circular cropped video of the founder, creating visual depth and motion. UX tip: make sure your hero section answers three questions instantly. Who are you? What do you offer? What action should the user take next? A clear CTA plus a strong headline is equal to instant engagement. Next, I designed the value proposition section to reinforce credibility. The headline, not just video, we engineer viral growth, conveys scale and expertise. I played with visual rhythm by aligning the sub-services vertically. Each vertical label, expert videography, comedy-infused content, Meta and Google Ads animate one by one using a slide-up motion. This creates the feeling of building blocks, like the agency is taking its expertise step by step. On the right, a video frame introduces Michael speaking, connecting the user to the brand visually. UX tip: use visual hierarchy and micro interaction zones to guide reading flow. Breaking patterns like vertical text or alternating layouts keep user engaged longer and increases scroll depth. Then comes the about section. Do you know who Michael is? I kept the section more personal and story driven. The large portrait inside a circular frame mirrors the hero layout, ensuring design consistency. The copy shares his 15 years journey in video production, keeping tone professional yet friendly. The curved arrow subtly leads the eye from Michael's photo to the description, improving eye tracking flow. UX tip: humanize the design, adding real face plus storytelling text helps users build emotional trust with the brand. People connect with people, not just services. To wrap up, I used a strong closing section that mirrors the hero design, same dark background, bold typography, and bright CTA. The headline, Let's Make Your Brand Unforgettable, ends the experience with confidence and energy. The yellow Let's Get Started button again stand out visually and psychologically as the key conversion point. I placed content icons neatly blue for accessibility, location, phone, mail, and LinkedIn to make the next step effortless. UX tip: always close the loop with a clear CTA. Repeating your call to action at the bottom ensures users never have to scroll back up to act. Consistency breeds conversions. So this was Ad Agency website UI UX design case study. I hope it gave you new ideas to improve your own design and create more professional and trend focused website. If you do like me to design your agency website, simply email me at talentfuse.design@gmail.com. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to TalentFuse, and turn on the bell icon for more UI UX case studies and design tutorials. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.